Hey, what's your favorite cartoon?
YouTube. I watch YouTube.
No, cartoon.
Cartoons?
You don't watch cartoons?
What are cartoons?
Man, what? I'm not that old.
Is it like when they have ads?
What? You ain't never seen Tom and Jerry? Cartoon Network, Nickelodeon, Ruby and Max.
Nope. What does a cartoon even mean?
Sometimes all I think about is you and infinity and beyond.